Now I will show you how to create auto number series in worksheet table. So this is our table with some order and other details. So this is our number series. We'll put our number series here. Before, I don't know how to make this one. So what I did, I just only type 1, 2 and select this one and drag it down. So this is our number series from 1 to 11 incrementally. And another also option, what I did before, I select this one, then I put 1, then press Ctrl, then I just only look, it's showing plus sign and drag it down. Again, it's incremental from 1 to 11 because here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now I will show you how to make this one auto. No need to type 1, 2, 3, 4. If I remove this one, I need to type again here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it took time for us. Now we will delete. Now we will use some statistical function which is we discussed before from my previous video about the difference between count E and count blank. So I explained there on what is the use of that statistical function. So now we will use that one. I will put equal, then count E. So for the benefit of other which is not yet seen my previous tutorial, so I recommend that if you have time, I prefer to check that also in order to understand very well concerning this function. Again, I will make a brief explanation regarding counting. Count E counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. So meaning, if I select this range here, this range, so meaning this count E will count these items which is not empty. So meaning all of this one is not empty. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if I hit enter, look, it's showing 11. So if I will drag it down, it becoming 11. Because why? If I press F2 here, whatever this range, it counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 again. If I move here, press F2, so this range will count. Look, this one is blank. If you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this, since we are using this count E, so this will count only this range which is not empty. So this one, it's not counted. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I hit enter, it's showing here 8. So this is it. So now again, our auto number is not yet established. Still, it's not incremented. In fact, it's going reduce, not incrementally. So we will fix this one. Again, we'll put our cursor here. Then, as you can see, if I press F2, here, if I move down, again, this reference, it will also move to B5. So now, we should make this one B4 as our absolute. Again, I have a video also title is the three types of absolute reference, you can understand also what is the use of this absolute reference. So as of now, to make it short, I encourage or I recommend to check also that one in order to understand very well regarding this absolute reference. So now we'll make this one absolute, even our formula going here still our reference. This is before because we are referring this one as an absolute. So this one I will highlight this one, then just press F4. So now this one is absolute before. So since we are here in before, look, if I press F2, it's coming all this range. So why? Because here it's showing B4 and B14. So from B4 up to B14. So we'll modify this one to 4 because we are in row 4. And I will hit enter. Look what happened. So now we are in number 1 because our reference is B4 and we are in the row 4. So if I will drag it down here, look what happened. Now our series is correct. It's incrementally. But the issue here, if I delete this one, again, although this number will goes down 1 to 3 because we don't have data here, but still we have showing 0. So it's untidy. In order to make it this clean, we'll make some condition. So we'll use F. I explain to you. If this B4 is empty, so this here also must be empty, and we'll start our number here 1 2 3 and above should be blank also. Again, if I delete also here, this should also become blank. So now I will use our condition. If this B4 is not equal so meaning if this B4 is blank, we are looking for this 100. So meaning we will make it blank here, double quotation mark, then close parenthesis. So if this true here, this is true, count A, meaning they will start count by 1 according to the range. So this is our condition which is true here. Value if true, meaning if there is data here, it will put 1. Otherwise, if no value here, so this one will become blank because this is value is false. So now I will hit enter, then I will copy. So look what happened if I delete this one. Now this one is become empty and this one also become empty. If I delete also here, automatically our number series also will move down. If I delete here, let's say I will delete here, look, our incremental number series still 4 5 is continuous. If I delete also here, again it will make 1, 2, 4, 5, and continue 6 to 7. So this is the auto number. And if I will copy this one, and I will make another schedule here, I will press Control V to paste. I will put machine 2. So now here it's showing 15, because if we will make it F2, it will count until here. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, because we are using count E, so whatever data which is not empty, it will be counted. That's why it's showing 15. So now, since this is machine 2, we need to modify our absolute reference, because here our absolute reference is still B4. So now we are here in machine 2 B21. So we will make this one, instead of 4, we'll make this one 21. As you can see here, it's already 21 because we are here. Our cursor is in the cell B21. So I will hit enter. Again, it will start with 1, and if I drag it down, so another set of number series by machine. So the same process, if you have machine 2, machine 3, the same process. If you want to combine instead of separate, you can combine also. So just only modify here. If you want to delete this one, if you want to combine, just F2, then just change your absolute reference, which is 4, and hit enter. So it will continue. If you drag it down, again it will continue. 11, why become 13? Because this one is counted. Look, if I delete this one, it will become 12. So this is it. Again, if you see this one will count according to the cell which is not empty. So this is it. This is how to make your auto number series. Thank you and God bless.